For today's vlog, magluto tayo ng pinakbet. So, ayan. Ilang kutsa ko na yung pork. Meron tayong pork dito. Ayan. So, mapula na siya guys. Mayroon tayong garlic. We have garlic here and onion. Pagsabayin na natin. In the same pan. We're going to cook mixed veggies. Right? So, ayan muna natin siya na maluto, guys. So, next, ilagay natin ang luya. We have ginger. We have tomatoes. Green tomatoes. Ayan, green pa yung tomatoes natin, guys. And we have chili, pangsigang. Right? So, halo-haluin na natin yan. Mapula na yung pork, guys. So, ganyan lang. And, ilagay na natin ang mixed na gulay. This is my mixed veggies, guys. This is what we call pinakbet here in Philippines. Pinakbet veggies. Haluin natin, guys. So, we have ampalaya, the kalabasa, the squash, the eggplant, and the sitaw. So, ganyan lang ang pagluto niyan, guys. And, lagyan natin ng bagoong. We have isdang bagoong na may laman. So, lagyan lang natin siya ng mga like that. So, maalat. Alright. Sapa. Ala bagoong. Alright. Hindi na natin lalagyan ng ano yun, guys. Siyempre, asin dahil napakaalat. And then, lagyan natin ng ginisa mix. Ganyan lang siya. And, water. Water from Wawa Dam. Charot. Haluin muna natin. So, nilagyan natin siya ng pork and bagoong. This is one of my favorite veggies. May kamote pa yan, guys. So, kain naman tayo ng gulay. Alright. Hayaan muna natin. Let it simmer. We'll wait until the veggies are tender. So, takpan muna natin. Natin, guys, ulit. So, malapit na siya maluto. Ayan. Kasarap. Hintayin na lang natin lumambot yung kalabasa. Look at that. So, yan. Pa natin ulit. Check natin ulit, guys. Medyo may ingay sa labas na. So, kunti pa. Siguro mga 3 minutes pa to, guys. Tigas pa yung squash. Ayan, palambutin muna natin yung squash. Look at that. It's so yummy. And okra. I love okra, my gulay. This is gulay. This is what you call gulay. We call this gulay in Filipino. We'll wait for 3 minutes, guys, until the veggies are ready to serve. So let's check again, guys, if the veggies are already cooked. It's cooked already, guys. Check. So it's already cooked, guys. Oh, wow. It's so yummy. My pinakbet. Look at the okra. Look at that. Oh. It's cooked already, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching. And I hope you enjoy my video. Bye. It's so yummy. I put bagoong and pork. Look at that. It's so yummy. with okra in the house and kalabasa. We have also the string beans. Alright. Thank you so much, guys, and let's subscribe my channel. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoy my video, guys. Thank you. See you on my next vlog. Bye.